Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar and just click on Task Manager. Now go ahead and find any Adobe related applications or services. Okay, you're going to want to right click on it. For example, this one is Adobe. Right click and just click on End Task. Once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Services. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and find Adobe Genuine Service. Okay, if you can find it. Again, Adobe Genuine Service. Now, if you do have it, well, all you got to do is just right click on it. Now click on Properties. Now the startup type, make sure that it is set to Disabled. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and click on Stop. Once you click on Stop, hit on Apply, hit on OK. Now, after that, you can go ahead and leave the Adobe Genuine Service opened. Okay, let's just minimize the services right here. Now, what you do next is go ahead and find your search bar again. Type down local app data %. Again, % local app data %. So just click on it. Now in here, find Adobe, double click. Now if you have, okay, Adobe GC client right here, well, go ahead and delete it, okay? Click on it, hit on delete. After that, go ahead over to local disk C, Windows, System 32, right here, double click. Find drivers, double click, etc, double click. Now, if you can find again Adobe services right here, go ahead and select and delete. Okay, again Adobe. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and close this one. Find Task Scheduler right here, click on it. Maximize this one. Click on Task Scheduler library right here. Now go ahead and find any, again, Adobe Genuine Software task. If you can find one, just click on it and then just hit on delete. Okay, and then after that, close this one. Find Credentials Manager right here. So click on it, go to Windows Credentials, and again, delete any Adobe related entries. For example, this one is Adobe. Just click on it and just hit on remove. Hit on yes. There you go. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and change the startup type right here for your Adobe Genuine Service to what? Manual. Okay. Click on it, then hit on apply, hit on OK. Just close this one, restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you fix this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.